This is Steve here at Hankster's Hot Rods. What we have for you today is a 1989 Mustang 5.0 liter, which is here before us, and as you can see, it is in beautiful condition. This car has very low miles on it, 26,000, a little over 26,000 miles, all original condition, original paint, original top, matching numbers, 302 engine. First we'll start off here at the driver's front. You can see the paint still in very nice condition. White pinstripe down the side of the body here. Body lines, moldings, all in very nice condition. Still very, very nice car here. You can see it's still got the original Mustang turbine wheels on there, 15-inch tires the whole way around. Those are the aluminum wheels factory. Mirrors on the outside, both sides here. You can see all the trim is blacked out. And the body moldings, as I said, continuing down the body here, along with the Mustang GT package here, you'll have the lower ground effects there and the different front and rear bumpers that came on a GT package. Those are all in very nice condition. You can see the gaps here, very nice. The lines, bodies from quarter to door, up into fender, all are right on the money here. This thing's very nice shape. Our white top, still very, very nice. Of course, you have a little bit of discoloration from being white over the years, but very nice condition, no rips or tears in that top, and still very strong. What we'll do here is open up the door, look inside the interior. Factory white interior, the Oxford white with the scarlet carpeting and the smoke accents, including your instrument cluster, dash, and so on. Power windows, locks, mirrors, automatic on the floor, and as I said, still the original 26,000 miles on, very low mile car. Door panels, you can see, very nice. The door jambs, no rust, very nice condition here. It's low miles and it was very well taken care of. Shut the door and move on here. Coming back to the back, you can see the luggage rack still there on the trunk from the factory, with the third brake light that came with them. You can see the back glass here on the convertible top, just impeccable. No cracks, chips, scratches anywhere. It's beautiful condition. You can see the trunk gaps, very nice on this. The tail lights, still very nice here. Bumper covers, no cracks or fading there. Paint is still beautiful the whole way around here. What we're going to do is open up the trunk and take a look inside here. You can see here, trunk light still works. You got your boot cover still in the bag here. Floor mats still here. Very nice condition the whole way around. Flooring very nice. Carpeting very nice. The whole car is pretty beautiful. Moving on to the other side here, again you see our gaps from our moldings, bumper to quarter, up on the door, right on the money here the whole way around this car. And the paint on this side also very nice condition. Coming up to the passenger side door, you'll see the gaps continue on up to the front fender to be right on the money. And our moldings and our bottom plastic ground effects still very nice condition on this side as well. Glass on this car, all very nice the whole way around. No chips, scratches, very nice condition on the glass. We're going to open up the passenger door, let you see inside this side. Carpeting, dash, you see that dash in beautiful condition, no cracks on that there. Very clean car. Door panels, again the door jambs on this side, whole way around very nice here, very nice condition. Our moldings, weather stripping running down the bottom of the door here, very nice. And these are power lumbar seats, another option on the GTs here. Coming up to the front here, you see our paint on the front fenders, this side of the hood, down into the ground effects. Very nice, and of course our gaps, as I mentioned earlier, line up very nice. Coming around to the front, see our bottom ground effects, again part of the GT package. Very nice condition. Paint's very nice. You got a little bit of chip here and there, not too bad for the car of its age. Very nice condition on that as well. No cracks or chips in the plastic on this front cover. What we're going to do is I'm going to pop the hood here and let you see that engine. As I said, this is the numbers matching 302 high output engine that came in this car. As you'll see here, this is the stock 50HO, 302 liter Ford. Does have air conditioning, factory AC on here. Pretty much stock, which is a very nice thing to have here. A lot of these cars are changed, aftermarket parts installed onto them and modified, but this one here, pretty much all stock. You can see the upper plenum's all stock, lower plenum all stock. AC, everything is there. Under the hood is just beautiful on this car. All your lines, stock radiator, everything is just as it was. Does have power steering, power brakes. Very nice version of a 5.0 from its day here, unmolested, in very nice condition. We're at the underside of our Mustang GT here to show you the undercarriage and all the components underneath here so you can get a good view of that and go over it with you. We'll start with the front of the vehicle here. This vehicle is all pretty much stock as it would have came in 1989. We got our stock suspension, stock steering. You got your stock sway bars. Everything in here is pretty much as it was. You got their boots here on your tie rod ends, your ball joints, everything, your sway bar links, boots, everything looks like it was greased and taken well care of. You can see your ball joints here. These are sealed. All boots are still in good shape on those. Come over your control arm, you can see very nice condition under here. We're pretty much all stock. Disc brakes in the front and drum in the back. You can see here, automatic transmission. We got our rear engine seal here, our transmission pan, our output seal here, coming back into our differential. All of our seals are good. We don't got any leaks. Everything's very dry. As you can see also, the drive shaft is balanced. Our exhaust system, dual pipes. Again, original 5.0 Mustang, got your H-pipe here. Coming back into dual mufflers, up over the axle and out the back as they all did. You can see your flooring here. Got your factory stampings, everything here all in very nice shape. Your subframe sections here, everything very nice condition, very structurally sound. This car is beautiful condition, very low miles it should be. You see all your lines coming back, all right along the body, all in very nice condition. Come back to here, again, stock suspension on this car. You got your rear sway bar here, your shocks, everything in very nice shape. And then again, you got your 8.8 rear diff here, which is very well known to be a stout, good rear end on these, very reliable. Coming back here, again, you got your back of your body, your bumpers, your metal bumper structure, your flooring up in here, all very nice shape. Our wheels and tires, you got 15-inch tires the whole way around on this with the factory Mustang aluminum turbines, and those are the 4 bolts per the year. And that's pretty much it on this vehicle. Again, very nice shape on here, very nice condition, very nice 5.0 Mustang. What we're going to do is lower this down and start that engine up for you.